Toyota Tacoma Sport. TRD Sport. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a brand new evening here with the beautiful moon out here tonight. We are here with this 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport in beautiful Barcelona red. In the last video, we did paint this bed. JP, he got in there, he mixed up some paint, and man, it turned out amazing. This bed is amazing. Like it is beautiful. We couldn't have asked for anything better. So what we got to do now, to jump on the cab of this truck. It's about to happen. Dylan's gonna paint it for us. We're gonna put it in the booth. He's gonna go crazy and paint it, and we're gonna go right behind him and paint our flares, paint our mirrors, paint our door handles and stuff. So let's get to it and let's get it done. Hey, you know what? Sometimes before you can paint Toyota stuff, you gotta get stuff out of the booth. So that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna get this thing out of the booth. Then we're gonna get our Toyota stuff in here and paint Toyota stuff. Get the Ford stuff out. This is a Ford? Yeah, it's Ford. Yeah, this is a Ford. We gotta get the Ford stuff out, get the Toyota stuff in. Here we go. Man, we have been working hard. We've been working hard just trying to get, trying to get our Tacoma kind of all fixed up. We're going to take a little break here, get us a bite to eat from the old pizza man. We're going to jump on that, get us a bite. We're going to get right back to it. are making quick work of this job today. Got the cab all painted. About got all these piece parts painted. I'm about to mix this up some clear here. We're just going to fire up some little clear coat, paint these piece parts, and then after that, we can start putting this truck back together. So let me get to mixing some clear right now. Alrighty guys, man, JP, he was in here and he got these fender flares and that grill and those door handles and those mirrors. He got them looking perfect, man. They are perfect. This thing, this is why, you know, it takes a little bit of extra time. When you paint one all over, I mean, look at everything we had to paint. I mean, we got door handles, door locks, fender flares, mirror covers, grills, hood scoops. We got everything, all these little piece parts, and it takes forever to just tape all these things down and get all this stuff done. But you know what? It's no problem for us because we jump right in here and we do it. And we got the cab painted. We got all this stuff painted. It's time to start putting this truck back together. So that's what we're going to do. In the next video, we're going to start putting the truck back together, get the bed all bolted down, get all of this stuff put on, make it look like a truck. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.